The flagship tool right now is the Behavioral Interview Tutor. I have just pasted a raw, unstructured brain dump of a project here. It's messy, just like our obviously first drafts. And let's go ahead and find the behavioral competencies from here. So, under the hood, this uses actually advanced few shot prompting techniques to analyze the text, identify competencies. So, here we have like three competencies identified. Then we can just choose whichever one you want to draft a star answer for. Choose the length, choose the tone of your answer, and then just hit the button. The LLM instantly rewrites it into a crisp, compelling star format answer. It's like basically having, a senior engineering mentor on call, right? You can always copy your answer and, save it for your interview prep later. So this is just do give it a try. I've also built like some free utilities. These were mostly for my own research, like this, Reddit scraper. You could put in a subreddit, decide the mode, and run the scraper. You can always download the scraped results in a JSON or a CSV. The next one we have is a YouTube transcript generator. Put down a YouTube URL and you're ready to go to download the transcript. So I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think about it.